Hello guys, in today's video we're going to check out the best robot vacuums of 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion and are trying to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. 5. iRobot Roomba i7. The Roomba i7 is a more recent installment in iRobot's line of industry-leading robot vacuums. Improved suction and a self-cleaning station are the two main draws. That's right. This robot's smart enough to clean its own dust tray, but a slightly lighter profile, intelligent mapping features that learn individual rooms, and Google Assistant and Alexa compatibility also make this robot vacuum excellent quality. 4. Neato Robotics BotVac D4. The Neato Robotics connected series of robot vacuum cleaners has been hit and miss. Thankfully, they got all the connectivity features of the D4 model just right. Mapping features allow you to create a model of your home within the app and direct your robot vacuum according to the layout of each room. 3. Eufy Boost IQ RoboVac 30C. The RoboVac range is no exception. The 30C is powerful, with a boost function for particularly stubborn debris. Its comparatively big wheels overcome most simple obstacles such as carpet edges. You can use the provided boundary strips to make no-go areas, and it all hooks into the excellent Eufy app, which plugs directly into Alexa with ease. You'll also find particularly good robot vacuum deals on this model when you head direct to Amazon. 2. Ecovacs Deebot N79. The Deebot N79 sits towards the lower end of the Ecovacs range, and that means it doesn't have the intelligent navigation, carpet detection or mapping facilities of its more expensive stablemates. This Ecovacs model is cheap and cheerful, although like all randomly navigating robot vacuums, you shouldn't watch it work or it'll drive you to despair as it keeps driving past obvious, to you, parts of floor. It'll get there eventually though. 1. iLife V3s Pro. The iLife V3s Pro is one of the older iLife robot vacuum models. While that means it's lagging in certain features like carpet-boosted suction or smart assistant or app support, you are getting a handy hardwood hoover for far less than you'd usually have to part with for. With a 120-minute runtime and automatic recharging, you might want to consider this model if you're looking for something cheap to whip around your small hardwood home on preset schedules.